Our next on the agenda is introduction of the lecture by the Dean Faculty of Social Sciences, Professor Mekano Madeki. May I call on the lecturer to stand while the introduction is taking place.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وصلى الله على نبي الكريم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The chairman of this occasion and the vice chancellor Bayero University Kano, Professor Haruna Musa, FSI, other university principal officers, deans and directors, members of the University Senate, HODs, staff and students, the family of the lecturer, other invited guests, members of the press, good afternoon and Assalamu alaikum. It is my singular honor and privilege to present to you the 60th inaugural lecturer, Professor Ismaila Zango Mohammed, a modest academic and professor of sociology in the university, whose upbringing in northern Nigeria shaped his academic interests in rural society, population studies, development, public health, governance, and social change. Professor Ismail Zango Mohammed hails from Zango local government area of Katsina State and was born on the 7th January 1964. He began his formal education at Mashi Primary School and later moved to Sabangari Primary School, where he obtained his primary school level certificate in 1976, both in Katsina State. He proceeded to Vimo College, Kaduna, where he obtained his general certificate of education in 1981. In the same year, he gained admission into the School of General Studies, Bayero University Kano, for the pre-degree program and subsequently admitted into the BSc Sociology program in 1982 and graduated in the year 1985 with a Bachelor of Science degree in Sociology, with upper second class. Upon completion of his undergraduate studies, he participated in the National Youth Service Corps NYSC program from 1985 to 1986 as a teacher at Government Comprehensive Secondary School, Gashua. Professor Mohammed Zango began his academic career at the University of Maiduguri in 1986 as a graduate assistant in the Department of Sociology. He served in that capacity until 1988, after which he was promoted to the rank of assistant lecturer, a position he held until 1990. While serving at the University of Maiduguri, he pursued his postgraduate studies at the University of Ibadan, where he obtained a master's degree in agricultural extension services in 1988. In 1990, he returned to Bayero University, Kano as a lecturer too, in the Department of Sociology. He was promoted to Lecturer 1 in 1993, to Senior Lecturer in 1997, to Associate Professor in 2008, and to Full Chair Professor in Sociology in the year 2011. In 1996, he was awarded a Fulbright Program Fellowship to become a Resident Fellow at the Population Research Institute of Pennsylvania State University, United States. During the same period, he completed an English program for internationals at the University of South Carolina in the United States. He obtained his Doctor of Philosophy PhD degree in Sociology from Bayero University Kano in the year 2002. Professor Zango's academic and research works cover population studies, reproductive health, rural sociology, governance, corruption, public health, development studies, and social policy. He has participated in and coordinated research projects funded by organizations like the United Nations Population Fund, United Nations Development Program, DFID, the Gates Foundation, the MacArthur Foundation, and the National Institute of Health Research of the United Kingdom. Among the major projects he participated are the baseline survey on socio-cultural factors affecting the Fulani in 1996, the environmental impact assessment of the Padama 1 project in the year 2000, the Global Polio Eradication Initiative Impact Study in 2012, a survey of poor households in Kano State 2016, combating corruption through interface platforms 2018 to 2020, promoting accountability and anti-corruption through behavior change approaches 2021 to 2024, and understanding influence and behavior in Northern Nigeria study in the year 2024. And he is a principal investigator for a PhD supervision and production in Nigerian universities, supported by TED Fund in the year 2020 Arab cycle. Co-researcher, sexual and gender-based violence against women and children in northwestern and northeastern regions, Nigeria, supported by TED Fund in 2022. A co-investigator in a formative study on polio vaccine hesitancy and social norms in northern Nigeria in collaboration with Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health with support from UNICEF, Nigeria office. Professor Zango is currently involved in the National Institute Health Research, reducing delays in cancer care in sub-Saharan Africa. He has published over 50 peer-reviewed journal articles and book chapters on subjects around family planning, fertility, maternal health, domestic violence, governance, electoral behavior, corruption, agricultural technology adoption, and population studies. He has also co-authored and edited books, including studies in cultural sociology in 2009, Consolidating Democracy in Nigeria, Challenging and Prospects in 2009, Public Perception of the Working of Democracy in Kano State, 2010, and Nepu Sawaba, the Anti-Colonial Resistance and the Struggle for Democracy in Northern Nigeria in the year 2004. Professor Mohammed Zango served as editor-in-chief of the Bayero Sociologist, a journal of sociological studies, the Bayero Journal of Social and Administrative Studies, and the Journal of the Population Association of Nigeria. He has taught both undergraduate and postgraduate courses in sociology, demography, development studies, and research methods. Over the course of his academic career, he has supervised over more than 100 undergraduate projects, over 30 master's dissertations, and many doctoral theses in sociology, population studies, and other related fields. Mr. Chairman, I am one of them that were supervised by him. Professor Mohammed has also held several academic and administrative positions in Bayero University. He served as a level coordinator, the Department and Faculty Examinations Officer. He served as head of Department of Sociology, Dean of Student Affairs, Pioneer Dean of the Faculty of Social Sciences, Director Mambaya House, Aminu Kano Center for Democratic Studies, Acting Executive Director, Center for Research and Documentation, and he is currently the Director of the Center for Economic, Social, and Population Research. He has chaired and served in numerous university committees relating to examinations, undergraduate studies, research, security, gender policy, student affairs, and university administration. He was chairman of Bayero University Security Committee and Bayero University Guest House. He also chaired the Katsina State Education Reform Committee in 2023 and chairman visitation panel to Hassan Usman Kassina Polytechnic. Participated in many accreditation visits across many Nigerian universities. He served as external examiner to many universities as an assessor for promotion to the rank of associate professor and professor across universities in Nigeria. He was a visiting scholar at Cleveland State University, Ohio, and Cornell University, Ithaca, New York, both in the United States of America. Professor Zango is a member of several professional associations, including the Population Association of Nigeria, Nigeria Rural Sociological Association, the Nigeria Anthropology and Sociology Association, and Fulbright Alumni Association of Nigeria. He was a member of Population Association of America in 1997 and the American Sociological Association in 2007. He is currently the first national vice president of the Population Association of Nigeria. He was conferred with Fellow of Population Association of Nigeria and Fellow Nigerian Anthropological and Sociological Practitioner Association. He has attended and presented papers at conferences and academic engagements in the United States, United Kingdom, Morocco, Rwanda, Lebanon, Israel, South Africa, Tanzania, and other African and European countries. In 2019, he obtained a certificate in project management from the Galilee International Management Institute in Israel. He also received training as an active citizens international facilitator, Surrey, United Kingdom in 2014. Mr. Chairman, at this juncture, I present to you a humble, modest, well-respected, erudite scholar in the area of population studies in Nigeria, Professor Ismaila Zango Mohammed, who is married to children. Thank you very much.
Thank you, the Dean, Faculty of Social Sciences, Professor Mekano Madaki.